Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you where you can find the bunny's trough in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here is the bunny's trough, and then I'm going to show you where you can exactly find this trough. Okay, the trough is here, near the central square and near this lake and also the art street. Okay, it's right here. Go to this area guys and you will find the bunny's trough, and then you can fill the trough with the food that the bunnies like. I'm going to add blueberries and also the raspberries. Okay, click on feed. Oh, I've just increased the bond level with the bunny. And usually you can find the bunny around here, but they're not here now. Maybe they're still exploring. And if you want to meet the bunny, just wait here and you can interact with them. Thank you guys, and that's how you can find the bunny's trap in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.